have 10 different halls. As you know, we have 20 assembly segments. In one hall, EVMs of 2 assembly segments will be counted, one after another. EVM count, once it gets over in an assembly segment, it will be followed by random selection of 5 VVPATs from that assembly segment. And immediately after EVM count, we will start count of VVPAT paper slips of that assembly section. 5 VVPAT paper slips will be counted. So it will be a little longer than usual.
So it will take almost 15 to 16 hours.
That is just a rough guess. It may take more also. There is no hurry. Even if it requires for our staff and for me to sit there for 2 days, we will sit there. In the hall where we have GOA by-election, early morning 8 o'clock, count of both types of EVMs, those who were used for assembly by-election and those who were used for parliamentary election, they will start simultaneously.